So hello everyone. Today I am going to show you this model which is done by the command bar, which is extrude bar, extrude cut and the fillet. So today I am going to show you these three command by which you can develop this type of model. Okay. So first go to this select part. Okay. And let's take a top plane and click sketch. Take a rectangle. Okay. Uh, Give the two sides are equal and take the dimensions here, which is equal to 5 meter. Okay, so here you can see this is the rectangle, not a rectangle, it's a square formed here in the canvas. Click OK. So first the command bar I will use the extrude bar. So go to the feature extrude bar and take the height as you can. I will take let uh, let 5 mm, sorry 5 meter. Okay, and click OK. Boom! As you can see, here is the entire body created. Now I've been using the what extrude cut. So first go to you can take any plane. So there is a three plane created, which is the right plane, top plane, and there is a front plane. So I am gonna be cut the top plane. So let's click here and click sketch, and again uh, go to the sketch and take a normal view. Okay, so here is the normal view of this entire body front plane. Let's go to the circle. Sorry, not a circle, it's a rectangle. Again, make them equal. Okay, take uh, dimension 3 meter. Okay, so 3 meter dimension has created, and the entire diagram is fully defined. So now I'm gonna be using the extrude cut command. Let's go to the extrude cut, and you can see you can automatically oh yeah, you can see you can minimize as you can. uh, let minimize to 3 meter thickness. So as you can see there is a it will cut only 3 meter thick. So we will cut the entire body. So we will use through all. So click OK, and now you can see the entire material has been cut off from this plane. So now I'm going to be using the fillet command bar. Okay, so let's click here fillet, and depending upon you where you can use the fillet. Let's suppose we want fillet here. Click here and take the radius of the fillet. If you want if you increasing the radius, you can see there is a radius is increasing. So I'm gonna be taking 0.5 15 meter radius of the fillet. Okay, take you can take here as you can. So if you see I'm clicking here on this face, so it will automatically fill it on that face. Okay, So I don't want only and that faces. I will use total phases of this entire system. So I'm gonna be using uh, this all. So you can see there is a this fillet command is basically applying on that body, and you can see there is a entire fillet is generated on each faces. So you can now click OK. So you can see there is a fillet here as also. So entire faces fillet has been created. Okay, let's split here. I want to increase the radius of the fillet. So again go to the fillet. Okay, uh, select all. Uh, I'm gonna choose let's fillet to uh, 1 mm. Sorry, not 1 meter. Okay, so you can see. So here is a, again failed mistake is that you cannot increase the fillet radius which is equal to 1 meter or above. So I'm gonna choosing 0.5 meter. So let's take zero point 0.5 meter and boom, click here. So you can see the fillet has been created on this entire model. Okay, thanks everyone. Goodbye.